Let us move to the properties of an AP. Property 1. Consider the AP. Add any real number k to each term of this AP. We get the sequence 4 plus k, 10 plus k, 16 plus k, 22 plus k, 28 plus k, and so on. Check whether this is again an AP. We see that T1 is equal to 4 plus k. T2 minus T1 is equal to 10 plus k minus 4 plus k is equal to 6. T3 minus T2 is equal to 16 plus k minus 10 plus k is equal to 6. T4 minus T3 is equal to 22 plus k minus 16 plus k is equal to 6. Observe that this is also an AP with the first term 4 plus k, and again the common difference 6 remains the same. Property 2. Now consider the AP. Multiply each term of this AP by any real number k. We get the sequence AK, AK plus DK, AK plus 2DK, and so on. Here, T1 is equal to AK, T2 minus T1 is equal to DK, T3 minus T2 is equal to DK, T4 minus T3 is equal to DK. This is an AP with first term AK and common difference DK. Note, if we multiply by 0 each term of an AP, then we get the sequence 0, 0, 0, and so on. Terms in an AP. Whenever we wish to consider 3, 4, or 5 consecutive terms of an AP, it is convenient to consider them as follows. 3 consecutive terms as A minus D, A plus D. 4 consecutive terms as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Here, note that the common difference is 2D. 5 consecutive terms as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Let us look at the example. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP such that the sum of the middle two terms is 18 and product of the two end terms is 45. Solution. Let the 4 consecutive terms be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. The sum of the middle two terms is 18. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 18. Therefore, 2A is equal to 18, A is equal to 9. Now the product of the two end terms is 45. Therefore, A minus 3D into A plus 3D is equal to 45. Therefore, A square minus 9D square is equal to 45. But A is equal to 9. Therefore, 9D square is equal to 81 minus 45. 9D square is equal to 36. D square is equal to 4. Therefore, D is equal to plus minus 2. By putting A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 2, we get 4 consecutive terms 3, 7, 11, 15. And by putting A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 2, we get 4 consecutive terms 15, 11, 7, 3. Let us solve exercise 1.5. Number 1. Find 4 consecutive numbers in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of third and fourth term is 14. Solution. Let the 4 consecutive terms be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Sum of 4 consecutive terms is 12. Therefore, 4a is equal to 12. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Sum of third and fourth term is 14. Third term is a plus d, fourth term is a plus 3d. Therefore, a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 14. 2a plus 4d is equal to 14. 2 into 3 plus 4d is equal to 14. 4d is equal to 14 minus 6. Therefore, 4d is equal to 8, d is equal to 2. Substituting d is equal to 2 in the 4 consecutive terms, we get a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Therefore, 3 minus 3 into 2, 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 3, 1, 5, 9. The 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Number 2. Find 3 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is minus 3 and product of their cubes is 512. Solution. Let the 3 consecutive terms be a minus d, a and a plus d. The sum of 3 consecutive terms is equal to minus 3. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d is equal to minus 3. 3a is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 1. The product of their cubes is 512. A minus d, the whole cube, into a cube into a plus d, the whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus 1 minus d, the whole cube, into minus 1 into minus 1 plus d, the whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus 1 cube into 1 plus d, the whole cube, into minus 1 cube into minus 1 into 1 minus d, the whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus 1 into 1 plus d, the whole cube, into minus 1 into minus 1 into 1 minus d, the whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus 1 into 1 plus d, the whole cube, into 1 minus d, the whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus into square bracket 1 plus d into 1 minus d, the whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus into square bracket 1 minus d, the whole square, square bracket close, whole cube, is equal to 512. Minus into square bracket 1 minus d, the whole square, is equal to cube root of 512. 1 minus d square is equal to 8. D square is equal to 9. Therefore, d is equal to plus or minus 3. Substituting d is equal to 3, we get minus 1 minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 4, minus 1, 2. Substituting d is equal to minus 3, we get minus 1 minus into minus 3, minus 1 plus minus 3 is equal to 2, minus 1, minus 4 is equal to minus 4, minus 1, 2.